everybody. Today I'm going to share with you an update on my dumb cane. Yes, remember the last video? I got this plant. It was only 2 leaves. And look at it now. And it has several leaves. Let me see. It has 5 leaves and 1 more about to come out. It's happy in the same place where it was the big one that I had in the past, and that's the same place where I put it, same as the other one I had, and it's happy. And yes, you see some yellow spots on this leaf, and I believe it's because of lack of water, but like I said, I do not keep this moist. Many people ask questions on how I care for this plant, and well, it's very simple. I just don't do much maintenance on it. As long as it's in front of a very bright window, and if it gets 1 hour sun, it's happy. That's what I've noticed. I know these plants are not supposed to get sun, but apparently they do like sun. Not too much, but it does get sun, at least 1 hour. And it's a very happy plant. I have to clean the leaves. I have been busy lately, so I have had no time to clean the leaves. And yes, and it's time to water it. As you can see, the soil is very, very dry. It's not moist at all, as you can see that. My finger is dry. So this is how I keep my plant. I do not keep it moist, because if you keep it moist all times, it will not be happy. I know that for a fact because of a friend that used to keep it moist every time, and then she had troubles with the plant. So I only water unless it's really dry like this. It's really dry, and when you lift it, it's a bit light, like, light. Not tremendously light, like for it to really die, but it is light in weight. Once you lift up your pot, you feel it if it's light or heavy. If it's heavy, then it has enough water. So I only water once I see the soil really, really, really dry. And that's basically it. I don't really do too much maintenance. I don't fertilize every single month. I only put dried eggshells or leftover coffee or leftover teas that I have in the teapots that I boiled that has no sugar. I just pour it in the pots. Even when I wash the rice, that liquid I throw in my plants. Yes, whatever you wash, like vegetables or something that you're washing, throw it for your plants. Put it in your plants. That will help the plant. All the minerals, nutrition, anything that comes out of that, the plant will get it. So those are my tips. It's very simple. Even banana peels I dry out as well. I dry them and then I blend it into flour together with the egg as well. And then I just mix them together and then just pour it on top of the soil. And when I water it, it will receive the vitamins or minerals that it has. That's what I do. I wash anything like rice or a barley or anything like that you end up washing, except the beans, because beans, they mostly come like dusty. So I don't really use the beans. I don't use the water that I wash the beans, only the rice or any other grain like barley, stuff like that. Grains that throw out starch, let me put it that way. All right, my friends, this is the small video. I wanted to share with you how happy this plant is, and it keeps on giving me new leaves and new leaves, and whatever yellow leaves I get, and if this turns out too yellow, then I just push it down and just peel it off nicely so it doesn't look ugly, and then just pour it in the garbage, and I wash my hands after that, because it is said that it has toxic or something that you have to be careful with these plants. Same as the Euphorbia milli or any plant that has any sap, you also have to be careful, right? It's my habit. Anything I touch or I'm doing, I always wash my hands. That's the point. You have to be washing very well with a lot of soap. And never had a problem with these plants. I've dealt with them for many, many years, and to this day, nothing has happened. And always be aware of plants, even if you don't know about it. All right, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my video. Comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.